Hey Longhorns, welcome back. This is going to go over the skeletal system assignment. If you're in Miss Harris's class, I realized afterward that we forgot to change it. If you're in Mr. Verm's or Miss Hunter's class, they changed it before they uploaded it to y'all, and I just, forgot. So, sorry my kids, but I'm going to go ahead and give y'all the answers in this video, so no big deal, right? Okay, so we're going to start at the top of the skeleton and work our way down. Starting at the top, we have the cranium. The next part is the mandible or jaw. After that, we have the clavicle or your collarbone, and it's on both sides. We have our sternum or our breastbone. Next, we have the rib cage. Oh, I forgot to color the sternum. So basically the rib cage, you all know it starts in the back of the spine and it curves in. The part in the center of it on the front in between, in the middle of your chest, when you press down, it's hard and it's flat. That is your sternum. We then have the humerus, which is the long bone in your upper arm. We have our vertebrae, which again, the vertebrae goes up. It is kind of in the center of the back, so your whole spinal column is enclosed in the vertebrae. You just can't see it on this front view of the skeleton, but if we turned it over, you would be able to see the ridges. All right. We have the radius on the outside. And the ulna on the inside of the forearm. Just for fun, this bone right here is the pelvis bone, also known as your hips. These are your phalanges or your fingers. And when we talk about phalanges on your feet, those are your toes. Oh, I'm running out of colors, guys. Okay, so our femur is in your thigh. Our patella is our kneecap. The bone on the outside of the leg or your calf is called the fibula. And the one on the inside is called the tibia. All right, going down to the fill in the blank. The function of the skeleton is to protect the organs inside your body and to give support for your body. Remember, you can always pause. In order for the body to move, muscles have to be attached to more than one bone and then pulled on them. This is helped by ligaments and tendons. One of the main functions of bones is that they produce red and white blood cells and are produced in the marrow of the bone. Ligaments connects bones to other bones. And then joints are where bones come together. You can have two categories of bone joints where they are fixed or not movable, and then movable, which means that you can rotate them, move your arm up and down, raise your arms above your head, touch your nose. Like, those are the movable types of joints. Like our ears and stuff, those are fixed joints. For most people, you cannot move your ears or your nose. You can move like the skin and the muscles that's over it, but you can't actually move the physical nose. Don't know if that makes sense. And then your nose is an example of cartilage. Which is a form of connective tissue, which can also be found on the ends of bones and acts as a cushion. You also have cartilage in your ears. So your ear lobes, where you get your ears pierced, that is a very soft type of cartilage. You can also have, like, if you get the ones on your upper earlobe, those are cartilage piercings. They take a long time to heal because you are actually piercing a thicker part of the body. So that's all that we have for the skeletal system assignment. If you have any questions, please check into our office hours for the science department. It's 10 a.m. to noon, Monday through Friday. We look forward to seeing you.